most, well, not the most. If anybody can get a coin in this coffee mug, you get yourself a $20 gift certificate from Pizza Delight. Okay? So hold on, I'm going to set it down, and then I'm going to say go. On the chair? All right, hold on. All right, go for it. Let's see what you got.
How do you put your money here?
Hold on, time out. Just wait. Whoa. Wait. We've got 3 in. Was it Al? What do you get, Mr. LaCroix?
It was somebody from that middle section.
We have 3 coins in. Did anybody catch it? Travis is still for some reason. Anybody? I can't see somebody to clean out that actually.
Wait.
Liars. I want real.
Push it.